in this question we have to compare between two arrays. So the condition is like, if first element of first array is greater than first element of second array, then 1 point goes to first array, like that. So if both elements of same index are same, then do nothing, and which one is bigger one, so 1 point goes to that. Let's write the code. For that we need two variables to store the points of each array. Let's take Alice and Bob. That initial value will be 0. Instead of going with a traditional for loop, we will go with advanced for loop, and let's take for each loop. For that we need to traverse by the indexes. That's why I took in stream, and we take the range from 0 to the array length, like from 0 to a array dot size, and then dot for each. Here we have to use lambda function. We'll take the variable as n. So here n will be the index of those arrays. So n will start from 0 to up to the length of array. So here we'll put the condition, if a dot get n greater than b dot get n, then 1 point will go to Alice. So for that we will increment the value of Alice, like Alice plus plus. Else if a dot get n less than b dot get n, then 1 point will go to Bob. So then we'll return, we'll come out from the for loop and we'll return the value as a list. So return, we'll create an array list, and in one line we'll initialize the array list and assign the value to it. For that we have to use arrays dot as list, and inside that we have to put the value Alice and Bob. Okay, and let's run the code. We got some error, like it is saying local variable cannot use. Okay, so inside advanced for loop we can't use primitive data types, so we have to use atomic integer instead of integer, so that we can increase the value of that variable. So we'll initialize the value as 0. For Bob also we'll initialize the value as 0. Okay, new atomic integer is 0. Okay, and here instead of going for plus plus, we'll use the method, inbuilt method, like get and increment. Okay, it will do the same like plus plus. Bob dot get and increment, it will increment the value 1 1 1, and here to get the value of Alice we have to use the method like dot get and Bob dot get, so it will return the integer value. Okay, now let's run the code. Oh, again we got some error. Atomic integer, new atomic integer. Okay, let's see what is the error. Yeah, imported. Oh, we got a spelling mistake. That atomic integer I took small I. Okay, let's run the code now. Yeah, it is working. Let's submit the code. Yeah, all the test cases in passed. Yeah, thanks for watching.